The tube cell of the pollen grain elongates to form a pollen tube. The tube nucleus leads the way through the tissue of the style toward the female gametophyte. The two sperm cells travel through the pollen tube and enter the ovule. One sperm fuses with the haploid egg cell to form the zygote. The other sperm unites with the diploid central cell to form a triploid cell that will develop into endosperm.
Each ovule contains two fertilized cells. The nucleus of the primary endosperm cell begins to divide to form endosperm tissue with no cell walls. The zygote divides, forming a large basal cell and a small apical cell. The basal cell produces a chain of cells called a suspensor, and the apical cell gives rise to an embryo. The suspensor now begins to transport nutrients into the young embryo. In monocotyledons, a single seed leaf or cotyledon forms. As it enlarges, the embryo also receives nutrients directly from the surrounding endosperm. During this time, walls slowly form within the endosperm tissue. In most monocotyledons, nutrients now begin to accumulate within the endosperm. When nutrient accumulation is complete, much of the water is removed, and the embryo enters a state of dormancy.